All right, making the pretty number lines. So these are the whiteboard features or the annotation features when you are in Zoom. When making a number line, I don't know, and this probably doesn't matter so much. I start with text and I'll put the numbers first so that we have like, so if I know I'm going to do a problem with these numbers, I'll put those in first. Then I will use the draw tool and I will select the line with the two arrows features for a nice line. You can change the color on your number line as well as the size. So you get your nice line here. And then for the little tick marks, I go back to my draw tool and I select the straight line and I make the tick marks that line up with my text numbers. And there you go. You can also, if you want to perfect, if you're a perfectionist, you can click the select tool if you want to move them over a smidge or resize them. You can use select to just nudge them over a bit or to resize a little bit. In your text, once again, to put in your math problem. Oops. And there you go. There's also in the draw feature, there's the filled circle shape tool. Um, so if you also want to highlight where to start on your number line, you can do that as well. So lots of fun features. So if you know you have a lesson coming up and you want to have your whiteboard prepared ahead of time, you can also save your whiteboard. And when you pull up a screen share that's an image, you will be able to annotate that whiteboard much in the same way. So we can do, I'll show you, I'll pull up another one that I created here. So this is a saved whiteboard from a previous lesson. And I just put in the problems and the number lines ahead of time so that it would just be ready to go. And then up here, you can click annotate and you will have the exact same feature toolbar as the whiteboard share. So then you can model on your pre-made number lines.